Some Nigerians don't decide say they go just bring shame for us when no dey Europe. These people carry their legs, say they travel. I don't know where to carry them go there, or not be my business. So now they don't go, they don't feel live their life peacefully. They say they must embarrass us. Now so this lady can't tell man. Two of them be Nigerian, so she can't tell the man say, are they pregnant? To say you don't give me belly. The man based on your own calculations, you understand? Into say the pregnancy. According to your own calculation, when in travel, in friend even they call am, they tell am say, I see your woman with one man. Ngwanu. This man finally come back. Now the woman come tell am say, the pregnancy na you. The man come tell am say, no, this baby cannot be my own because if you are 7 or 8 months pregnant, I've not been around for 9 months. So you understand? Balance this equation. It no rhyme. The woman no gree. The woman come dey shout. And the man even they tell us say, again one time when he reach house, he can see one trouser and one boxer wey no be your own. He come ask the woman say, so who can get this boxer and this trouser? The woman come say na for him. Meaning say the man no even know wetin they buy again. Abeg for now we no know wetin dey happen. Join me make we watch our fellow Nigerians.
Ask me.
When I travel, I travel go Malta, I go work. When I talk.
Okay.
My friend call me say there is someone with on that man for house. Now 9 months I spent for there. How many months did this belly?
This belly dey 8 months. I dey be 9 months.
Okay, now your belly.
When you come out,
Now you come
now
out.
7 months. Now you dey there. Don't be 9
Now
months.
you think say now you
Oh, where you dey go?
Come carry
Where you
your
dey go?
Because I don't buy motor.
Huh?
I don't buy
Okay,
motor.
what you don't buy motor?
When you
What
dey
you don't
suffer,
do?
this day stand for
I don't
you.
dey there. When
Now
I
she
see
plan
na
for
my
you.
house you dey o. Na my house you
Stay
dey.
your house.
I beg. They
See
how they disgrace yourself.
Now
Another
you
man,
dey disgrace
another
yourself.
man, belle.
Now you give me belle.
As they dey Europe, they say the boy don dey better, don dey progress. Una come dey carry people belle.
I dey suffer. I dey wait make you come. You dey tell me, no. I don remove the belle. Now I go remove 7 months belle.
Not like pikin.
Now I go remove 7 months belle. Okay, why you not be apply? Why you show me go remove am?
People dey call me, I dey see your wife with another man.
Now you
I
keep
dey see
the
your
man for
wife.
me.
See your
When you
life.
come and you see man for my house. When you come, you see man wey dey
That
my
trouser
house.
when I still get am.
Which trouser? Which trouser?
See am. I see one trouser. I ask am, who get this trouser? Who get this trouser? Who get these boxers? What do you talk?
Which bosses?
No matter you say na me get am. Me. I don't know wetin I buy. I see trouser, I see boxers. You say I'm my house. Don't make get belle.
Chineke. Drama full everywhere. Be like say this thing dey inside our blood. Everywhere Nigeria go. Nigeria be like MTN. They represent anywhere where they go. As I dey talk to una now, the matter never finish. Make una relax. Nah. The boy don't come out again. Come they tell us say the woman don't deliver. So now they do DNA test. The test now can't bring negative results. Meaning say the pikin no be for this guy. Hey! Kasala don boss. See wahala. This one they shout. This one the man even they talk say the pikin or Igbo pikin. Abeg make I no just waste una time. You understand? So join me. Make we listen to them.
I say no me get pikin.
You really talk am, bro. You really talk am. Sit down. No, you really talk am. You don't see wetin this side dey talk. You don't see wetin this side dey talk. You don't see wetin this side dey talk. Make I see am, bro. No, you really talk am. Not this start am. Make I see this one. See wetin dey talk like start. All your men dey pray, make dem do it to husband. They say, let me start am. All your men dey pray, make dem do it to husband. Let me start am.
She don born now. Now Igbo na she born.
Sit down.
Now Igbo na she born.
Go.
Follow them. Now Igbo na she born. We don go do test. Now Igbo na get pikin. Make una dey see them.
Omo again. Abeg, why women like they disgrace us? Why una like to dey disgrace una fellow women? Like I no just understand. We fit do better than this thing na. Oyibo pikin, you go carry am, mount am on top another person head. So this one na nobody see am o. Our feminists, where una dey? They don waka comot. If na man now, una go quick, if una English go dey sharp, una go get right words. Make una come outside now, come tell us words about this one. So women, una not even dey shame at all. Small shame no even dey una body. Now God don vindicate this bro. Bro, they don vindicate you. God don see you through today. How you go put pregnancy on top an innocent person head? Una think say pregnancy na chewing gum. Wey una just go enter shop, buy am, then go drop am somewhere. It's a huge responsibility. This man now just dey imagine the kind stress wey don dey go through before this DNA test come out. You go don spend money because if they tell you say na your pikin, as long as say you never get proof, you must spend. This guy go don spend and spend and spend and spend. Chai! Women, make una see, learn to dey tamper justice with mercy. See, some of you no go make heaven, no be swear. Some women no go make heaven. Because the kind things una dey do, sometimes I just dey wonder where una dey get the strength. See am, una just watch am now. Una know the first video, she even dey shout past the man. Even as they find out say no be the man pikin, she still dey shout. Instead of make you humble yourself, apologize, you still dey show yourself every time. Now wow, many women see una don dey play smart too much. So men, I don bring this matter out now because of una men. So make una listen carefully. Any pregnancy matter wey come your way, if you know say you no dey sure, listen. If you no dey sure, DNA very very important because this period they don't see women. I don't bring una better secret o. I be woman. I know say now some women say go even dey insult me, but I no care. You understand? Make una dey alert. Anyone wey you know say something dey smell fishy around here, because go and do DNA test before they hang you for something wey you no even budget for. You understand? Because now this one don't go spend money. If you use that money now, do another better thing. I just dey pity that oyibo man wey give am belle. Because you don't know wahala wey you just carry. Agbero woman like that one. That one they una go dey fight every day. Make una always dey careful who una dey move with. I dey tell una this thing every day. Before you insert the disc, clean the, you understand? It is very important. Survey the area, check am well. No just enter because you want enter. See am. At least this one, you don't save himself. Imagine say this thing na positive. Imagine say na pikin. He go live with this wahala all the days of his life. Because that woman na troublesome, no be small thing o. I beg my people, I don't bring una matter also for the men. I don't tell una wetin I fit tell una. He that has ears, let him hear and take my advice. Drop your comments for the comment section, very important, and share this video so that we go help all the men wey dey outside there. Stay tuned for our next story.